Do you struggle with getting organized? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about 10 things to declutter in your home here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And I know how hard it can be to start getting organized. So I thought today we'd do a fun video 10 things to declutter in your home. To give you a jump start, we're looking for easy, simple things that you can agree, yes, I don't need this anymore. You're right, Jodi. I'm going to get this out of my house. And it's just a way to dive in and start getting organized and start decluttering in your home. Sound good? All right, let's dive in with our first category. VHS tapes. Do you still have them in your house? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. If you do, and you have a few favorites, you can consider repurchasing them on DVD. But of course, given how fast technology changes, some people don't even have DVDs anymore. So the key phrase here is a few favorites. And these days, you might be able to just stream whatever you want on whatever systems that you are paying for. So either way, you don't need VHS tapes anymore. Toss them out. All right, moving on to number two, duplicate kitchen tools. So go through your drawers and cabinets and find all your kitchen utensils and tools. Pick your favorite ones and donate the rest. A lot of times we will find in the drawers, in the cabinets, in the containers, that we have multiple versions of the same thing. You might have several spatulas or several slotted spoons that are very, very similar. So if you find that, just pick the one you like the best and donate the rest. Third one, expired coupons and takeout menus. So, if you are someone who struggles with paper piles, and we certainly have a lot of videos that you can find about that on our channel, this is a good first step. It's a really easy entry into tackling paperwork. Get rid of all the expired coupons and just save menus for restaurants that you are actively going to. The fourth type of item that you can easily declutter in your home, stained food storage containers. So if you've got food storage containers that are cracked, stained, bubbling, if the lids don't fit anymore because they got warped, toss them out. I also have a video all about food storage containers that you can find on our channel. Number five, cookbooks. Only keep cookbooks that have lots of recipes that you're using, because if you're only using a few recipes from a given cookbook, you can copy those recipes and get rid of the book. They take up a lot of space, especially when you have very limited space sometimes in the kitchen. So you only want to keep a cookbook if it's got multiple recipes that you're using. Number six, almost empty toiletries. So if you've got bottles of soap, lotion, body wash, shampoo, when they're almost empty and you've got a bunch of them, it's taking up valuable storage space. So if you really want to get those last drops out, you can prop them upside down on a new bottle first, but go ahead and get rid of the empty bottles. Number seven, old keys. Once you've confirmed that these keys don't fit into any existing locks, and don't forget about if you have any safety or bank deposit boxes, let the keys go if they don't fit any of your current locks. Make sure that you think about all the locks in your home, including, for the file cabinet and everything. But once you've done that, let them go. Number eight, old cell phones. They can be sold, they can be given to another family member. These days, if you do a quick Google search, you'll find that there are a lot of charities where you can donate old cell phones, including helping people in a crisis situation, women who might be in an abusive relationship, soldiers. There are a lot of good causes out there that you can search for. Number nine, old magazines. If you haven't read your old magazines by now, if you've got a big stack of them, just go ahead and toss them out and start fresh. And going forward, if you can't finish a magazine edition before the next one arrives and you're paying for them, it's time to rethink that subscription. And our last thing that's an easy solution to decluttering in your home, something that can take up a lot of space in your closets, old pillows and bedding. You can donate old pillows and bedding to animal hospitals or rescue shelters. It's a win-win. Well, I hope that that has given you some inspiration. Do some quick decluttering as a way to jump in, get your foot in the door, dip your toe in the water, whatever metaphor you want to use, to get you started on a path to being more organized. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.